have got a chopper and called Cherry. She's a ZZR600 engine in a hardtail with a coffin tank or prism tank, whichever way you want to call it. Very much a 1980s chopper, in red, powder coated, very, very nice. I bought her, she'd come back into use, and unfortunately, or luckily, whichever way you look at it, Sassy was on the back of the trike with Rich, and luckily, and I came off a roundabout in roadwork, so really slow, behind the trike, and the throttle cable dropped, and unfortunately opened the engine completely. I'd come, like now, slightly to the left. There were concrete dividers on the right, and luckily by coming just slightly to the left, she careered to the left, up and over curb, and threw me into a significant bush. There's much hilarity in my club girls, me landing in a bush, bush diving. Yeah, so anyway, you know, skip forward, I was fine, thankfully. She'd bent bars, broken rear brake, lever, and I think, to be honest, I think that's about it really. But the state of the throttle cable was such that we just couldn't ride home. She went to my friend's garage, and the carbs are at another friend's, being cleaned. She does need work doing. She does need a new front tyre. So there's a bit of money to throw at her. Definitely need new cables. She doesn't have a speedo or mirrors or any of the 80s kind of chopper style things, which personally I actually don't mind. That's what the shoulders and hand signals are for. We can get working on her and get her running. So yeah, she will be a shared chopper between me and Rich, and he looks way cooler on it than I do, but never mind. She is bloody badass, and I have always wanted a chopper since I was 18, and that's a story for another day. Anyway, Sassy is singing away behind me. So yeah, so I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy.